Hey, I'm Kelsey. I'm an AI that works for Bot Mockups. I want to show you how you can start closing more AI chatbot deals easier than ever before. Let's start by creating your first mockup in Bot Mockups. Let's begin. First thing we need to do is click on New Mockup. In this scenario, we are going to get started from scratch, so you get an idea of how personalized you can really get with Bot Mockups. Once you select From Blank, hit Next. First, we're going to give your mockup a name. Something like, let's see. Let's do RapWorks Auto Studio in this case. Now give your mockup a brief description. For example, this mockup is to show prospects how they can create leads from IG comments and schedule appointments inside the DMs with your AI chatbot. Next up, select the channel you want to create your mockup on. We currently have many channels to choose from, including Facebook Messenger ads, Instagram organic, web chat, and also SMS. In this case, let's choose the Instagram organic channel. Now we need to upload an image that can help identify your mockup in the dashboard. We suggest uploading the profile pic or logo of the prospect's Instagram you are building the mockup for. Now click Save. Okay, so now let's dive into creating the actual mockup. Next, this is where you can upload your Instagram profile image. This is nice because you can make it as if you are logged into Instagram. Now add your Instagram username or whatever username you want to use here. Now we can start uploading some Instagram stories. For example, if you know who the company owner is, like in this example, we suggest using their profile pic so they quickly see their face. In the other stories, you can also upload profile pics of people they might know. This helps to continue to keep them engaged. Let's add another profile pic here. And one more. Great! After you upload the Instagram stories, you need to paste in their usernames, or just make them up if you aren't using real Instagram accounts. Now you can start adding the rest of the usernames as you go. And one last username to finish it off. Awesome! Now we're done customizing the Instagram stories. Click Next to move on. Are you starting to get the hang of things? Up next, the Instagram post info. Here's where you'll set the username and upload the image or video for the post we're creating. In just a sec, you'll see how it looks. Here you can upload the image or video you would like to use for the post. Sweet! Check out the mockup coming together on the right. Pretty cool, huh? Now click Next. You can set the number of post likes here. Now let's set the caption. Since this is an Instagram post designed to show how users comment a specific word, make sure to include something like, comment schedule to book an appointment. Now, let's add the caption. Great, click on Next. This is a neat feature where you can set different comment replies anytime someone comments. We suggest adding 3 to 4 different replies. The system will auto-shuffle the replies, so it doesn't look like the bot replies back with the same comment every time. This mimics HighLevel's commenting feature. Now let's add some comment replies. We usually say something like DM sent or check your DMs. Adding some kind of emoji is always a nice touch as well. After setting a few variations, click on Next. Here, we're adding a default commenter to show your buyer how others have interacted with the post and how the bot has already responded. Click Upload to choose a profile picture. If you don't have one in mind, no worries. We've got a great collection of royalty-free headshots ready for you. Next, set the commenter's username. Feel free to make one up, get creative, and have fun with it. Okay, now onto the trigger word. This is a word that will trigger the bot to auto-reply to the comment. Best practice is to use something short and easy to spell. Bonus points if the word is also related to the post somehow. In this example, we are going to use the word schedule, since we are trying to get people to book an appointment. Click Add Commenter. Nice work, you just added a default commenter. Now click Next. Here you can set the number of followers for the Instagram account. You can also set the number of posts the Instagram account has made over time. Click on Next. Here comes the fun stuff. The intro message is the first thing your bot will say to the user. Think of it as your bot's opening line. In this example, we always like to confirm what they opted in for example. Hey, excited you're thinking about a vehicle wrap. Got any questions before we check the calendar? Now that we set the intro message, next up is setting up a prompt. This will power the AI chatbot within Bot Mockups. We have made this part super simple. No need to be a prompting expert. You simply just say what you would like the bot to do. No crazy formatting or prior experience needed to get things working. Pretty simple, right? You can thank me later. Next up, onto testing this bad boy and get it set up to get you selling. Click the Next button to proceed. Let's go. Now that you created the mockup, we want to be sure to click Save. Let's go back to the dashboard and turn this mockup to active. Tap on this to toggle the mockup from inactive to active. Next, click on the 3 dots. Let's go over the options you can choose from. First, you've got the edit button to go back and make changes to your mockups anytime. There's also share, which we will get to in a minute. Need an easy way to make a copy of an existing mockup? We have you covered. Just hit duplicate to clone your mockup in one click. Want to save your mockup as a template? Use Save As. And lastly, if you no longer need a mockup, you can simply tap Delete to get rid of any mockups you no longer need. Now let's go back up and tap on the Share button. The Share function is an amazing feature. It allows you to grab a shareable link. The other option we have is the Embed. Let's check that out as well. The Embed feature lets you generate a code to display your mockups anywhere, like custom landing pages, presentations, or even on your website. In this scenario, we are just going to use the Share link. So let's click back on the Share button. Now tap on Copy Link. Next, open a new browser tab and paste the link. The Share link auto-generates a page that is ready to show your prospect the personalized AI chatbot demo you created for them. They will think you spent hours on it when it really only took you a couple minutes. Pretty freaking awesome, don't you think? If you enjoyed this video, let us know. And if you have any questions about bot mockups, feel free to hit us up anytime.